the orange candle that scents rooms and repels any type of insect. To make this candle, first I'll cut an orange in half. With this simple tip, you won't have any more problems with insects in your home. Next, in the middle of the half orange that will be the base, I'll make a hole. With this tip, you will definitely avoid flies and mosquitoes in your home. The ideal is to use this trick in the places where we have the most problems with insects. I bet you'll thank me after using this tip. After this step, I'll place half of a candle into the hole I made. Now, I'll put clove in both halves of the orange. This spice is very fragrant and is one of the items that will help with the aroma in your home and is very important for keeping insects away. The best part is that, besides being natural, it also repels insects. I'm sure that after making it at your home, you won't have any more problems with them. This method is suitable for all areas of your home. Since I started using it, I haven't had any more problems with insects, and my guests always ask me what the secret is. Besides serving as an insect repellent, it also gives off a very nice aroma thanks to the orange and the clove. Here, I'm using this amount of clove, but at this stage, it's up to you. It will depend on the area where this candle will be used and if there are a lot of insects. Not to mention that it also looks very nice and adds even more decoration to your home. I'm sure your whole family will want to make it too. Now, I'll use some sticks. I'll place them upright in the orange, using 4 of them, so that the other end will be above the candle, where I'll place the other half of the orange. I bet no mosquito or fly will bother you after using this tip. By using this tip for just a short time each day in your home, you can have a better scent and, most importantly, keep insects away from your home. Remember that the length of the sticks is also up to you, but ideally, they shouldn't be too long. After adding the sticks, making sure they are above the height of the candle, just place the other half of the orange on top of them. Once that's done, our tip for today will be ready. I'll just light the candle, and we can already notice a different aroma in the room. No bad odor will bother you after doing this trick. If necessary, repeat the process to place it in more rooms as needed. The best part is that this tip is adaptable. You can use lime instead of orange, also varying the aroma. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Let me know if you achieved the desired result for use in your home. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.